Hey guys, it's Kara here. I'm back on another video. This time I'm customizing my keyboard with these cute keycap sets that I got on AliExpress. They're 3 separate sets from different sellers. They took forever to get here. So I'm really excited to do this video and to install them. The first one is this gamepad keycap sets. I really like these ones. They were the first one that I got. And then my Hatsune Miku spacebar and escape button. I really like that one as well. It's so cute. The details are really nice. And then the next one is my pastel blue and pastel pink. That one was a more frustrating set because of the way it came. It came like all jumbled together in a bag instead of being spaced out. And also it didn't look like the picture, not in a bad way, but like the enter, the shift keys didn't match. Like they didn't match the pictures. Like in the pictures it was written out. When I actually got them, they're actually arrow keys. So I'll show you guys later on that. And it took a while. It was kind of frustrating. At first I thought I was missing some keys, but then I realized my keyboard is just isn't really compatible with all of these sets. So meaning a lot of the buttons weren't matching my keyboard. Not that they didn't fit, it's just the keyboard in the post description has a number pad and my keyboard doesn't have a number pad. Some of the buttons like print screen and stuff, print screen was actually there. Yeah, print screen they didn't come with that in my keycap set, so that's something you have to look out for when you're getting these universal ones. They'll fit, but will they have the function that you need for your keyboard, or else you're gonna keep your original, which is why I'm really happy that I chose white as the base for my keyboard, so that way some of the buttons that I didn't really particularly like in this main set, I could keep my main one and it would still look cohesive. Like the function keys. I didn't change any of the function keys because mine has media controls on them compared to the ones on the keycap sets. They're in pink, they look really cute, but they don't have those functions on them. And I was like, so that's one thing about that. I didn't keep everything. I wanted to go for a like white, blue, a little bit of pink. I really like pink, but it's not my favorite color. I really like pastel blue a lot. I wish I took the set that had a lot of the pastel blue, but I wanted the outwards keys to be blue. At first I was freaking out. Like I said, I thought it didn't come with all of the pastel blue keycaps until I realized they just look different. So because of that, I had to put the keys on top of them, because sometimes just looking at it, I don't know if it's supposed to go there, just like those keycaps right there. I didn't know, especially with the cap lock one. That one was really hard to find since it didn't say cap lock. It had a really weird like down arrow, and since everything's arrows, I'm like, I don't know if it's supposed to be on this side or the other side. So it was a trial and error on that one. And the little orange thing that I'm using to pluck out the keycaps came with the set, so that was really nice, because the one that I use that I have from that came with the keyboard wasn't really good, so this one helped out a lot. And now I'm just putting every keycap on top of each other, so that way I can make sure that I have everything in the set, instead of freaking out. At first the plan was to make it look like this, but I ended up to, because it just didn't look nice to me, especially since I wish this set came with the function keys blue at least, and it just didn't look nice, so I took it all off. And I'm happy with that decision, and I wish the arrow keys also came in blue. It would match a little bit better, but otherwise I really like this keycap set. The reason I chose that one is because this is an RGB Bluetooth keyboard, and it was nice to see the RGB pass through. With some of these keycap sets, the lights doesn't really pass through at all, so it was really nice towards the end. I'll have some close-up of that so you guys can see. I was installing this while I was on a Discord call with some friends, so there's a little bit of snippets in there. I added that in there as a type of ambience background noise. So here's me putting the rest of the keycaps away. There was a lot of them, especially since I have a tiny keyboard, and it was really nice. I wish, oh man, this one only cost $8 US dollars, so it was a great deal. And then the Miku one cost around $5, and then the Era keys was like another $4. So all in all, I think it was under $20, which is all worth it. And now for B-roll time, and I also included some typing so you guys can hear how it sounds. This keyboard is brown switches, brown cherry switches. So I'll leave that in. Let me know if you guys will customize your keyboard like this over spray painting it, and thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!